Hey, let me turn this up a little bit. Hold on. Yeah. Alright. Look. Man, I ain't no shooter, but I've been looking for a fight. About to take off Superman Cam Newton, and I put that on my life. Man, I could pull hoes on a scooter. Talking bright red with the lights. Ain't you the same girl I went to high school with? Yup, I knew I was right. Bitch, I guessed it. Get back, get back. I just wanna be rich. I remember 9th grade, I remember them days they were saying that I wouldn't be shit. Thank God for the life I've lived. Never been locked up, never sold no bricks. I remember back then they didn't want me. Now them same hoes on my dick. Little bitch, I don't fuck with you. No, I've been shooting in the gym. Just got that Charger with rims and a 10. Earned every dollar that I ever spent. Party at Chili's over on West End. Me and my nigga and you and your friend. They catching feelings already, we ain't going steady. I'm kicking you out around 10. I wanna get back in the church, but them Sundays of rest be the best, man, I swear. My mama keep asking and I just be making excuses, knowing I'm in need of a prayer. People that know me since I was a baby, it's crazy. They all be asking where I am. And kids that I grew up with got so much mature, and some of them showing ass on Instagram. That's them, but loyalty is dead. I mean, I don't believe it, no, I don't believe it, but that's what somebody said. And I don't know about you, but I ride for my niggas, and that goes for Shawty Low. I ain't seen her in about 2 months, but I still got love, and I just want her to know. Cause I don't think she know. And I'm trying to talk to this girl. She got a text back problem that I'm trying to get past, cause I know persistence pays. And I think she like the way I make her laugh. I know she can't resist my ways. Yeah, she the type you make plans for around the world in 60 days. Life's a book and I'm flipping the page.
Quick trip to the ride, Nico rolling up. Officer passing by, but he ain't notice us. Hoes looking from the side, wanna smoke with us. Waitress didn't get a dime cause her service sucked.
Ain't no point in getting numbers, I ain't interested. I got a wifey, I ain't looking for no mistresses. Just left from that set now for my nigga Devin. My niggas was lit, my nigga were higher than shit. He say he in heaven, but it was hotter than hell. That smoke in the air had me on my level. I swear I met the devil. And no Prada but jeans and a crop top and flip flops. Oh wait, she say she tired of them same niggas. Well, I don't know if this gon' work then, cause I ride for the same niggas gon' be there when rain fall on the black paint the hearse in. Look, talk back, make her mad on purpose. She spend money on weaving purses. She said you can tell about a woman from her hair, but girl, I know you ain't a virgin. Look, ain't no virgin, girl. Girl, you know you ain't no perfect angel, and I saw you shaking your ass up in that club, showing every nigga love. So I don't wanna hear no lies. Don't you lie to me, cause I saw you tryna hide from me. And girl, you bout to see a different side of me, oh no. It's a side you ain't gon' like, cause I'm about to bring your shit to life. Girl, you know you ain't no perfect angel, and I saw you shaking your ass up in that club, showing every nigga love.